welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new homemaking series called the Homemaking Hollow. Okay, so I'm in a new season of life. I'm a wife, I have my own place, so I just wanted to bring you guys along into this new season of my life. What's on today's agenda? We are actually going to do some flower arranging just because my husband got me some flowers and we're just going to spruce them up a bit just because some of them are dying already. The next thing that we are going to do, we are going to try a new recipe for dinner. We are going to try a Mediterranean recipe. First time trying that, so we're gonna be doing that. We are going to be taking down some birthday decorations because it's overdue. Yeah, just wanted to bring you guys along. In this season of life, it's been such a big transition from getting married, moving out, and just really establishing myself as the woman of the house, the CEO, the domestic engineer, and I am so grateful. I am living what I've been praying for, and you see me smiling because I'm just in awe of how God has really came through, and our God is so faithful, and I'm just lost for words. Okay, girlies, so I've gone rogue. I actually decided to take some Instagram pictures. Look at it. I'm using the vase that I thrifted that I had my utensils in. It's so cute. I've gone rogue. They're going in here. There's absolutely no way I'm putting my utensils back in there. Like, it's not gonna happen. Time to pour some water. I really need to find another vase. I had the water. I was gonna put them back in the same vase, but like I just can't. I already saw that. They're so cute. They're freaking cute. Oh my goodness. This was such a find at the thrift store. It's so cute. Okay. Enough with my happy dance. Now I need to find a place for my utensils, but first let's go ahead and like wrap it up, clean this up, because I've kind of made a mess, just a little bit. Okay, you guys, so this is what's going on right now with my utensils. They don't have a home, but good thing I kept this little guy that came with it, so they're gonna go there for now. It's disgusting, but it gets the job done. Let's move the toaster back because we're gonna need cooking space in a little bit. So I just took down the birthday. I didn't know, which I should have figured, but they were just individual. My husband actually didn't put the happy birthday together. He stuck these, but we love that. We love the effort. Like, If you guys want to see what my birthday surprise looked like, I'll leave the link to my reel down below. Right here, and this is gonna be our dining room. This is our dining room, but there's nothing that says dining room over here. It's kind of a hot mess. I have our laundry over here that I took it out of, you know, the dryer, and I need to fold that. And then I have a return that was a birthday present that I need to return. Then we have this hodgepodge of stuff that we're either going to thrift, we're gonna give it to a thrift store, we're gonna get rid of it, see if anyone here in the apartment wants it. So my couch is actually not gonna stay here. We actually have my father-in-law coming into town, and he's gonna stay here for a night. So my office is where people stay. So I had to move my couch out of the office just so we can inflate the bed and do all of that good stuff. We're going to be cooking. We're going to be making a Mediterranean pasta. Organic chicken breast from Aldi. So that's what we're going to be using. And we are going to season it with pepper, salt, and olive oil.
He's like, what are you doing?
Blue domino?
You might need to change the charger a little bit.
Well, can you bring me the charger?
We're having Mediterranean pasta. Her and her little apron.
Is it cold?
No, it's not hot.
So me and my husband always make it a point to have dinner together. It's just a way for us to reconnect after a long day of studying for both of us and just being apart. The verdict on this Mediterranean pasta, if I'm being quite honest, had the potential, when I tell you it had the potential to be great, but it just fell short. It just wasn't giving what it needed to give. I was a little disappointed because I was so hungry, and Kyle was being super sweet and trying not to tell me that he wasn't the biggest fan. But after dissecting it and taste after taste, we decided it wasn't the best.
I like that you can cook the other chicken.